you imagine, like, the kids are so safe out here? I wonder why are all the children so safe in this neighborhood, eh? Guess why? Because there's no Rotherham Bradford over here. Yeah, there's no Rotherham gangs over here. There's no Bradford gangs over here. There's no Rotherham things going on out here, you know? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Like, those kind of people don't have money to stay over here, bro. You know? That's the problem, you know, unfortunately. Fortunately, the northern side of England can't even afford this brick on this road right now. Okay? Let's go. Come, AK. Let's go home. Come, Molly. Step into the house, Molly. Come on, let's go in. The Tariqs might arrive. AK. AK. Come on. AK. AK. Get inside. Come on. In. Get in. Come here. Where are you, bro? Oh, bro, I'm just in my house. Okay, come on. Get in. Get in. That's how you get slapped when you don't listen. Okay? That's how you get slapped when you don't listen, okay? Brother, I'm in a tiny little French, inspired by a French village, kind of Mediterranean, you know, like, Everybody was telling me, oh, you know, you're Gucci, you don't have a garden and this and that, but your gardens are not even the size of my front yard, though. Is that the only thing you have in the UK is a garden that you can never even go into because it's so cold outside? Really? तुम्हारी औकात है इधर आके रहने की? गरीब के बेटे? गरीब का बेटा, look how Amir's houses look like from outside. देखो गरीबों को देखो बेचारों को. ज़हर खाने के पैसे नहीं हैं बेचारों के पास. निकल. जब ये गरीब के बेटे बड़ी बड़ी ड्रीमें देखते हैं. हम बड़ी. Papa, one day I'm gonna get married to a rich girl, Papa. Papa, one day I'm gonna get married to a rich girl, Papa. Papa, one day my wife's gonna have so much money. Unfortunately, the only thing that's gonna take you from your house is your big black boyfriend with his shalong. Is the only person who's gonna take you out of your mom and dad's house. Huh? हैं? हैं? तुम्हारी शलंग को, तुम्हारी लाश को कौन लेके जाएगा उधर से, हैं? निकल इधर से! तेरे से कौन शादी करना चाहता है, लूजर की औलाद? हैं? तेरे से कौन शादी करना चाहता है, फकीर बेचारा, गरीब? हैं? गरीब भी हवा देख रहे हैं, हम अमीरों की घरों में शादी. How are you gonna walk like in a rich girl's house and get her rishta when your house looks like a toilet to rich people? You know what I would do if you came to my house and you were looking for rishta, Akshay? What I would do to you and your dad? What I would do to you and your dad if you came with both of you brokies? First of all, I'd say, give me your address. And you'd be like, why do you want my address, uncle? And I'm going to be like, because I just want to do a Google satellite image check on what kind of street you live in and the area you live in, as I'm very familiar with the whole UK. Then I'm going to check your yard and zoom into your Google Maps into where you live. And then, do you know what? Then I'm going to grab you and your dad by your necks like this. And I'm going to say, get out from me. Ghareeb, mazdoor, haram khor. Itne bade jawab de, itne bade ghar mein shaadi karni hai. Ikhlas, ha! Again! Get these father and son out of here, okay? Get these fucking two tramps out of it. Don't even have a fucking 100 grand. Fucking want to come and get married into my family. Get out of here, you little tramp. Get out of here, you little tramp. Look at you dreaming big. Poor fucking small boy and small father. Brokies. Are you dreaming so big about getting married into a big family? You, that dude gonna get married into a big family. You, generationally cursed. Huh? Your generations are cursed. Good boy. You gonna get married into a good family. You garbage can. Dream on. Dream on, because unfortunately rich men clue their women up on another level. You're not gonna even get through the first pass of the exam, which is buy me a fucking Bugatti. Yeah. निकालो इस तारिक का इधर से, इस गश्ती के बच्चे को बाहर निकालो, इस बेंचोद गरीब इतने हवाब देख रहा है अमीरों की, और अमीरों के खानदान में शादी करेंगे, ये गरीब मजदूर का बेटा। ये देखो, ये मजदूर के बेटे के हवाब देखो, इन मजदूरों के। Look at these मजदूर्स हवाब. Look at the dreams of these Mazdoor's children. Could you imagine, like, a working man, middle class family, and the son is dreaming he's gonna get married to a rich girl? Like her dad's gonna accept her janaza on earth before she gets married to you. Like her father's gonna accept her janaza happening with getting married into your family. इधर सारी अभी एशियन लड़कियां देख रही हैं और क्या कह रही हैं, यार मैं अपनी बहन जो ऐसे मर्द के साथ बैठना चाहती हूँ यार, किसी क्लास वाले बंदे के साथ, क्योंकि बहन जो खानदानी लोग। No, your stomach's gonna get bad. Absolutely spiffing. Big up Yammu. Sorry, वो किधर गए वो सारे जो कह रहे थे मेरे पास पैसे नहीं? Lying them all up, these little motherfucking brokies. Ever lived in a nice house before? Ever lived in a nice fucking penthouse before? In a nice fucking crib before? You, my friend, need to relax a little bit, you know? And eat your own food, nigga. Eat your shit, nigga. Let me eat mine. Now, I wanted to ask the girls something specifically. If you came in for a date into my house, imagine me and you on a date, what would your impression be when you come to my house? Would you be like,